Good morning, class. As yesterday we have completed first paragraph of the chapter of the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening is a poem about an snowy evening of winter season, and this is written by Robert Frost. And Robert Frost was an American English poet, and he was a poet, a teacher, and a farmer. As in the first stanza, we have learned that poet is going through a forest, and he was very surprised, very attracted to see the beauty of the forest. The trees were covered with snow, and it looks very attractive. So the poet have decided to stop for some time to watch the beauty of the forest. As he told that whose woods these are, I think I know, means the poet is know who is the owner of the forest. His house is in the village. His house was, means the owner house was near a village, in a village near the forest. He will not see me stopping here, but he was not able, the owner of the forest was not able to watch his forest covered with snow. So the poet can stop to watch the beauty of the forest, to watch his woods fill up with snow. Means the owner of the forest live near the forest in a village, but he is unable to watch the forest. So the poet can stop here and to watch the beauty of the forest that is covered with snow. The forest, the trees are covered with snow. Second line, my little horse must think it queer. Queer means odd, different to other. Means the horse was very surprised by the poet is stopping here. To stop without a farmhouse near, means near the forest there was not any farmhouse. Between the woods and the frozen lake, there were only woods, means forest, and frozen lake. Frozen means covered with snow. Frozen lake. The darkest evening of the year. That was the darkest evening of the year. Darkest evening of the winter season, or darkest evening of the whole year. So I will repeat it again. My little horse must think it queer, means the horse of the poet was very surprised by the poet is here, decided to stop near the wood, near the forest, to stop with the farmhouse near, means there were not any farmhouse or any shelter to stop or to spend the whole night. Between the woods and frozen lake, there were only woods and frozen lake. The darkest evening of the year. That was the darkest evening and the coldest evening of the whole year. But poet was very attracted to see the forest covered with snow, so he decided to stop for some time to spend the night to watch the beauty of the snow, as the owner of the forest lives near in a village, and this is the time of evening, so he was unable to watch his forest. So the poet can stop here and to watch the beauty of the forest, beauty of the tree covered with snow. And there were no farmhouse, only woods and frozen lake, means there were nothing to eat, nothing to drink. But so that the little horse of the poet was very surprised. So this is enough for today class, and tomorrow I will explain last two stanza of the chapter, and your homework is to draw the picture and write word meaning of the poem.